for their fresh quality ingredients. The orange team, though, on the other hand, Jericho and Raymart, they've been known for creativity.
Yes.
So I believe there's going to be a major clash there. Green team is Karan and Karan, the double Ks.
Yes.
They've been known for their fresh ingredients as well, so I'm excited to see what they can bring to the table. White team is Rakibul and Abdullah Omar. I've heard that they have a great technique,
Yes.
so I'm very, very, very excited to see what's going to happen today. Pink team is Ray Limbo and Aldrin Viados. I hear that they have a baking background, so we'll see what happens. Have you heard much about him?
And the great thing here, you can see, Abdullah's African and Remark is Filipino, so you will see a lot of, from different places, another food and great food. This is good food.
A lot of diversity.
Yeah.
We're very excited about this.
Very excited.
Can't wait for the Iron Chef.
everybody's doing great your dishes. I didn't think that we created this much. There's a lot of people great, you know. So the team who win, according to the score, we have 15. The score is 20. So we have 18, 15, 16, 17, 16, 15, and 14. So the team has 18 as this one.
You know, white team.
You have to be very confident with the food you make.
Yeah, white team.
So other people make the food, they say Danish. How you say Danish? You said you should be confident with what you make. Okay? Danish, good job, bro. You did the So we're gonna give you the prize later. We're gonna get the prize. Thank you very much, guys, for coming.
Yes.
Thank you a lot. I hope you enjoy and you have fun. Thank you.
Thank you.